Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. Hey, now it's day 2 of our cooking series. Let's go ahead and show you how to pare that turkey down in an RV. How about just cooking with a turkey breast? So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and bring on Charity and Ben from Grateful Glamper. Take it away.
Hey, I'm Charity from Grateful Glamper, and I wanted to share a quick cooking tip for you for Thanksgiving in your RV. Now, instead of getting a big, huge turkey that you're wondering, how am I gonna cook this thing in the RV with limited resources, you can get just a turkey breast at the grocery store. That's actually what we're gonna be doing this year, is we're just gonna purchase a turkey breast and then I'm gonna cook it in the Instant Pot. So that'll make for a great Thanksgiving meal, and it's RV friendly.
We're gonna go ahead and continue on with our cooking in the RV for Turkey Day. And nothing better than possibly thinking about cooking dessert in a smoker. How about taking a pellet grill and cooking dessert? Well, I'm not gonna show you how to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and bring on the Venturesome Couple, Chris and Martha. Go ahead and take it away.
Thanksgiving's coming up and we want to share a quick cooking tip with you guys.
That's right, we love cooking, and having Thanksgiving in an RV can be just as memorable as having it at your Sticks and Bricks.
Absolutely. Last year we actually baked a pumpkin pie in our little baby Traeger pellet grill.
You heard that, guys. Don't underestimate the amount or quality of the food that can come out of a pellet barbecue.
Yeah, while the turkey's in the oven, I use my air fryer for the veggies.
Yeah, and they're freaking awesome. That pellet grill made dessert while the turkey was cooking.
Yeah, and it was a delicious meal. So what do you think?
I think it was great, and never underestimate the appliances that you have, and do not hesitate to try to cook with the things that you have. Utilize the stove, the oven, the pellet grill, and the air fryer, and you can have an excellent meal with your family.
Yeah, thank you for watching our quick tip.
We're Chris.
And Martha.
And we're the Venturesome Couple.
And enjoy every moment.
And since we're talking about Turkey Day, how to cook a whole turkey outside, I'm gonna go ahead and bring on Ryan Miller from Millers in Motion to show us how to cook that turkey outside. Take it away.
Hey everybody, I'm Ryan from Millers in Motion. The Thanksgiving turkey. It's the staple of the holiday. It's the centerpiece of the table. Well, if you're RVing this year for the holidays and you gotta cook that bird, it might not be so easy in an RV oven. Sometimes those things get a little bit small. There are bigger ones like the one we happen to have in our rig, but you did not get into RVing to do things inside. So you should definitely get outside and cook that bird. There's tons of really good ways to cook. Oh, we get to fry it. We can fry the turkey. Oh. Okay. Please be careful if you're gonna fry a turkey. If you're going to try and fry a turkey in a campground or anywhere near your RV, one, check with your campground, your camp host, the office, wherever you happen to be, check. Make sure that you are allowed to, because you might not be able to. Two, never, ever, 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 under any circumstances, put that thing anywhere, get as far away from your RV as you possibly can, and maybe not near other flammable things so you don't have the problem. Two, never put a frozen turkey into the fryer. Third, please, please, please put your turkey in the pot with no anything in it, no oil, nothing. Fill it with water till it covers the turkey and you're happy with it, and don't go over that max fill line on the pot. Take it out. That line where your water is where you fill your oil to. There is also one other way that I really like to cook my turkey, but let's go show you outside real quick. So the other way to cook your turkey outside is with a pellet smoker. It doesn't use a whole lot of energy, so if you're boondocking, it's a great option. And two, some of those smoked turkey recipes that are out there, oh, so good. Tons of ways to do that. So definitely get out and think about smoking your next bird, and more importantly, get outside. Do it outside. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
I promise you, you'll thank me for this recipe. I got no tech dip. There's your eating tip. All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today. Now for the reason that you're out there in the video, roll the bloopers. Hey, now that it's day 2 of our cooking series, hey, on today's episode, we're going to show you how to cook with a chicken breast. I'm sorry, not a chicken breast. Grateful Glamper, that is Charity and Ben. Hey, Thanksgiving's over. Put that turkey up. Let me show you how to make